All right. Abusia hanum nimdie news. Nimdie news nso de a na kyese Ghana ho nsɛm na yɛde brɛmo. Ghana ho nsɛm na yɛde brɛ. Na Ghana ho nsɛm na yɛde brɛmo de a na kyese wo sɛ wo mama so mfa maso emfeme yɛ kakra wate ase. Na sɛ wo pɛ sɛ da ni da yi na wote de ɛkɔso ɛyɛ ɔman Ghana yi ɔman Ghana yi de a na sɛ wo sɛ wo subscribe na wo like na san so share your videos no na obi anso nya bi kan so be subscriber na notification bell no so what me e dey ato on na anytime bia ye be drop video no so ye dey be mamo enim se mo ho hia yie pa enso ye ho hia mo nti bibia ba na se video bia ba yemfa enkam mo ana se yemfa embo mo atimode ye dey be mamo ama mo so saka na kyese aye kama name pi na ekoso oman Ghana ni name bebre na ekoso oman Ghana ni na semi wo ho no a eni se de ya no ka na se wo se ye ma mokọ na mokotie de wo ho ankasa enen so nsem ne bi abeto ya pona no na se nsem ne bi abeto aba ye hanoma kyese wo se yetimi deliver ede mamona mutinsem bebre na ekosonti yebekọ na enenso yakutie de yewo ede mamo ahanom nimdie news message say subscribe my like my share my no bi onte yan kanon so enye bi enhwe nimdie news na waji so say the home of politics ena ema ori mfise notification bell no o de beto on eno ena be draw attention ebre bia ye be upload video bia no ama onso anya ye videos ni biare ama onso bedi Ghana fon nsem de ekoso oman Ghana echisi de be ya obi ka wo ba bia onso benya biaye de aka na so obi ko ka de enimu a onso obetimi aka nimdie news ni yenko gye nsem no mu bi embra sempi ena wo hon ntimoma yenko gye nsem no bi embra subscribe my cd masi aka no ma aka no face Yanko, Emra.
Sentence again, life imprisonment, death sentence, whatever it is. That is what the charge is. But a jury has to now come up and say the person is guilty or not guilty. Or someone is either the judge is neither who should be. And they are not making that decision necessarily on rules of law. At best, they will do so based on the facts available. If we are not a jury system, sometimes example, push the U.S. court. Any journalist who goes to a U.S. court for defamation is likely to.
Honorable Kennedy or Hene Agyapong any anas case na a war court no. Update bi aba every Honorable Kennedy or Hene Agyapong ne lawyer ho. Na yebekwa akuti Israel FM for na interview no. And what day a home information ni nyina wode ato abonten. Die na esi new update be na aba afa anas. Any honorable case in home. You could tell lawyer.
Dependent on the kind of argument that the person makes. If the argument announced made in the U.S. court act, he created the impression that in Ghana, some people are above the law, especially politicians. This is a statement that will appeal to every single juror in the United States or any part of the Western world, whether it is true or not. Because I mean, we all hear when even President Trump was held before legal processes and all of that. Right. So before a jury, you have the chance to, you can even be manipulative and get away with it. Jurors are sentimental. It is all profile jurors, you know, who say, oh, we have neighbor, we Christian, we say, you know how to play with your arguments. To get them to give you the kind of
but George, and no dear, no yellow hojuma. Obviously, some quarter. You can't so be making an argument, but superior arguments in the Bewini. I'm sure, sir, Agyapong Nankasa, it's me the necessity in the book and said, me, Musika, I'm going to pick the best lawyers, underline, best lawyers.
Yeah.
And I'm very sure, sir, the best lawyers now, Agyapong Joe Mudino. All those things say they are during the say in it here. So one was in here. because honestly, I'm saying this because the ama excitement in Nabano may not be necessary because of Agyapong, but there are excitement me be a to say anke Ghana ha kebe frustrated system na
ya tumwa mu semno ya kofuto semno sa sense total you quite me no e fa so bu akai the kind of be out to more for no for that to say no for Ghana and she say ya you be fa so bu akai no bu akai and then say obefa bu afo I for mu jury na for so above the so say you so jury na the more for one and matches on chair book a choir or more fossil and she shows him and they say the evidence between animal quantity of more fossil let church in be much and remembering I also also with a court I can dream now for show to say and there's more from that show this Subiano and also with this of Pepe. It was more for me, yes, I did. We are now. As some of the issue, U.S. court, we use the jury system, no, and no, more for the mature, so movie is now, yeah. A more casa, more, I know what their court, no, the verdict, and not the more for me, more shade. Now, almost, and over the back. And so, it's important to say, the case are distinction. Now, yeah. Say you in the decision ban and verdict bar and yet conclusive enough. So jury no econo for ginger and some no ban or you and some are caught in the my shame I gave from one in theater. I guess a court no fast assembly now Bonibeka or internal as a decision or a judgment of the court. Court no fast adoption. Also court no just assembly. No court man kasa it seems so say we na ye muaya force no e dey Bible thing. In such matters the court necessarily has to take the verdict and enter it as a decision of the court or a judgment of the court. Anything short of this via every judgment. It say we pay attention to some of the arguments on the social media. Which is that of Zakoko aside. The post of Omitia is going to a lot of conversation. He was very specific saying the jury in the SS court has awarded a verdict of 18 million against Agyapong. One can say the court has awarded a judgment of. In some sense, I think that those distinctions are key. And there he has said, there is no judgment against Agyapong. Legally speaking, there is no judgment against him. Now, U.S. laws no. Say, yeah, what this damages against we are both say, what can do this or can not the castle could change to get before. There is this legal principle I refer to remedy so. And what you say, your both kind of quarter, and man of my point says, we did this as I can a bullish in fast. Who cannot catch a court and say, the idea to me so dear. I say, no, solution of a tableau, I can soon the jack. When the mother will do, one session mammy. Court make national no share and no shine. The entire my US for this principle never any say who your case in the normal system where you have a judge sitting on the case. He is guided by the rules of law, the facts, and all legal principles. But in a jury system, the jurors are not necessarily making their decision based on the rules of law or the specific provisions of law. For example, say if they are judge or making an award against or before that make act. Or they make specific awards, for example, if they are for the road traffic offense, causing harm to other road users and everything. And running saying a 20,000 penalty and a 100 penalty unit. Penalty that could be a 12 cities. So he will multiply that by that. But a jury can make some decisions no matter how outrageous they are. And I didn't say the whole jury system is built around the perception that jurors may form every until they represent the larger society, until their feelings are that of the larger society. And sometimes they may go overboard kakra. So for example, only judges begin come, I don't tell you. There was this case, I think it happened in Ashanti region. And we are forming and about a Kubako. So it's a murder case. Facts mean that I say a murder case. Now, judge no every jury now call you money. The expectation is that they will come up with a guilty verdict. But the star witness in the case is Mammy the mountain son. And somehow or catch a jury they say, it's your bad time. We bay or condemn when in the shaming. It is not that the boy has not committed murder, but the woman is appealing to the emotions of the jurors. And jury system is say, oh dear, you know how to appeal to the emotions of jurors. Oftentimes you can have a decision going your way. It's Mamia but now the Baba the Kofi Ahon and the customer. If it's a matter before the judge will decide the judge will go strictly according to what the law says. Section 29, Section 30, and then Omokafa Medaho and sentence again, life imprisonment, death sentence, whatever it is. That is what the judge will do. But a jury has to now come up and say the person is guilty or not guilty. Or someone is ever declared that judge is who should be. And they are not making that decision necessarily on rules of law. At best, they will do so based on the facts available. If we are not a jury system, sometimes, example, the U.S. court, any journalist who goes to a U.S. court for defamation is likely to win, dependent on the kind of arguments that the person makes. If the arguments announced made in the U.S. court, he created the impression that in Ghana, some people are above the law, especially politicians. This is a statement that will appeal to every single juror in the United States or any part of the Western world, whether it is true or not. Because I mean, we're all here when even President Trump was held before legal processes and all of that. So before a jury, you have the chance to, you can even be manipulated and get away with it. Jurors are sentimental. It is all profile jurors who say, oh, we have neighbor, we, or you Christian, we say, you know how to play with your arguments to get them to give you the kind of.
But George, and no dear, more yellow, obviously, some quarter. You can't so be making an argument, but superior arguments in the beginning. I'm sure, sir. Agyapong Nankasa it necessary in the book and said me Musika, I'm going to pick the best lawyers, underline best lawyers. Yeah. I'm very sure say the best lawyers now Agyapong Jew Mudino. Omunim all those things say they are during the say it here. So one kawasimia you be buetia. Because honestly, I'm saying this because the ama excitement in Nabano may not be necessary because of Agyapong. But there are not excitement me be a quiet to say Anke Ghana ha my one show in Ghana say nipa no will be the man now will be far now problem. And a case study could be Yemfani say you can JB Dankwa MP. Look how many years in ye but then you are not Keti na answer when we say we before and say we did them. We be between the national court ha. Me are frustrating na yenina ya victim pay. You be frustrating na fe no tenya krana you bet you. Is it not something na Emma yes there's at least your court system no. We need to work on that.
No, I think that comparison is a wrong one. First and foremost, don't in fact a jury case and compare a street case. Where it is an indictment proceeding, a wrong comparison. The motives are very, very different. I have to say, if I say, will be a person of compare a radio show host by his ability to write. It's not necessarily the thing. Now, the kind of, and the example you made, the JB Danko example, let's even stick with that example. It is a murder case. Doing a murder case in Ghana, doing a murder case in US, there are things that would help you. But generally, there are some principles that would guide you. Every murder case, there are two ways of assessing it. We call the preponderance of probability and a balance of probability. So, I don't know, you are putting things together to suggest that there is a likelihood something happened, or there is a likelihood that something did not happen. So you can have much as oh, we did just say a day, a day after by, and now and yes, sir. But you are quite evident that it comes under what you call proof beyond reasonable doubt. And also, to make sure evidence, so you cannot compare these two situations. Now, you get back to even the jury process. Now, I mentioned earlier, say the judge or the court instructs the jury on exactly what to do. If the jury in any way deviates from that specific instruction, it becomes a ground for mistrial, which is one of the contending issues before the court now. Now, court, Emma, jury, and you, a human answer, say, first and foremost, the jury was supposed to decide, say, in Agyapong, are you guilty and are you guilty of the issues that have been brought before the court. Now, the second thing the jury was supposed to do is, so one will say, are you guilty? Yeah. Then we should assess actual damage. Actual damages are in German. Beyond that, you should also assess defamatory damages. Now, no man is away in a court with the man with on yet. The court set a different date. So Baba Bishia to come and assess what we call punitive damages. Punitive damages they say assessment, was it of an aggravated nature? Maybe an abro so the panel or they could do the benefit or they could do an abibisa. Court, a bar. That's a case of punitive damages. The jury now, so the court asked the jury, says, on this you are to assess punitive damages. The jury now says that, oh, the OCA, now on the Friday, last Friday, he assessed actual damages at $5 million, compensatory damage at $5 million, and punitive damages at $8 million. Meaning, I want to one about 18 million. And then, the defense counsel, Agyapong, raised the issue that this is grounds for mistrial because instruction in the court with the man, jury, it appears that Omojima is so now, if you listen to the video now circulating now, the judge in acknowledging the verdict of the jury indicated that he was going to, and before that he had mentioned that he would not take oral submission for mistrial. He would also for submission. If you are the one who can, if you also are, when the judge feels that the matters are weightier, a better choice to come on the record. You have to come with a written submission or written motion.